Hey everyone, welcome to the step by step guide on how to build a Klaviyo welcome series. I am Darlene, Senior Account Management Executive at InboxArmy, and today I'll walk you through everything you need to create a welcome series in Klaviyo. So let's get started. Once you log into your Klaviyo account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So the next step would be to go to the flow section and start building your welcome series. Step 1 of your welcome series will be to add a list as a trigger to which you would want your welcome series to be sent to. Once you've selected the list, hit next. Say if you're offering a welcome coupon to any of your users, select the appropriate option. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select all new signups. In either case, if you're not offering any coupon, just hit on not offering coupon. Now add in the coupon details, provide the relevant description, and just hit next. If you would want to promote your brand on social media or would like to add your bestsellers to the emails, simply turn on the checkboxes. Once you have added in the triggered list and the coupon details, you will now be redirected to creating the flow. Here you can view your trigger and the welcome email that has the coupon details into it. If you would go wish to change any of the details of the coupon or would like to have a different template to be used, you can directly go ahead and edit it here. You can also perform an A/B test for the same welcome email. We'll now go ahead and see how do we add certain delays or further emails to this welcome series. Firstly, we'll go ahead and add a time delay. Say you would want your next email to be sent after 1 day. Just select the appropriate time and then add in a condition split. If you would want to end a welcome series after someone has already opened or clicked on the welcome email, just select for a condition saying what someone has done. A metric in this case, I'll go ahead and add in as clicked email at least once in the last 3 days. Hit save. Say if they have followed the condition, they would be out of the welcome series. If not, we'll go ahead and trigger a welcome to. Your welcome email too can be around the lines of creating urgency for the users to use the coupon code. Say welcome email to. Add in your subject line of don't miss out on your coupon. Add in all the details or just again use a ready-made draft or the template that you have built in. Hit save and you're done. This is how we create a 2 email welcome series. If you wish to have more emails going on in the flow, we can just add in the required delays and the condition splits. The condition splits can be based on open actions or the clicked actions. And voila, you have just created a high engagement welcome series in Klaviyo. Thank you.